first Wednesday midweek cruise in Arby's, Leonardtown, Maryland. John, this is Out of Order Garage. Now with more beard. Let's take a look around. Holy smokes, it's the G8, our G8. Just gonna take a quick walk through everything here. Got Challenger, Fairlane, Chevy, got Dune Buggy, El Camino, Monte Carlo, Chevelle, big New Yorker, Magnum Wagon, Porsche 911, 72 Grand Prix. Happy folks here. Got a Model A and a 32. How you guys doing?
Get this good side right here.
Get that. What have we got going on here?
Meeting of the minds. Rock crawler. Bumps and rust. Original paint.
Looks great. Is it original?
Somewhere in there.
Yeah, somewhere. What year is it? 68 Ford Bronco. Now that's a machine there. Look at the tires. Holy smokes. It's full injected.
That's him. Indeed. I'll be the fool.
That's great.
Well, then up something this nice.
We got Robert's truck over there. Got a couple more vehicles here. Look at that. Prius, square body, C10, C20, I'm not sure which. Here's another Bronco. This one is not dented. A Ford Mustang, 70, Henry J. 64 Biscayne. Alex.
How's it going, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. 371 now.
All right. 371,000 miles. Energizer Bunny. Nice 55. There's Tim's Ford F100. That'd probably do it for midweek cruising. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Really appreciate it. Have a multi-car rollout here. 69 Chevelle. There's Bill in the 73 Monte Carlo. El Camino. There's the other Monte Carlo. And there they go.